today we're unboxing another Ultra monster from Ultraman that I can not read, but he's from episode 76. And I inked the background for him with all the code, but there's some stuff that aren't painted. This is painted blue and Akira, but this is not. On the back, you have all of this. And so, this little blue thing isn't painted. It's to say they're great in the model and playability part of it, but when it comes to detail, it's 50%. When it comes to Ultraman, 50% detail, which is not bad. Because if you have the model great, which is 150%, and some paint, so it's actually 75. I see him as like a half Triceratops, half hawk. But first, let's cut this bad boy. Got it. I always feel like I'm doing surgery when I'm cutting something. If I do one turned and this guy gets destroyed. So yeah. I have the claws. Like he can just go like this. Bad dog, bad dog, bad dog. Ah! Yeah, he found the kitchen sink, which you do not want anything in the kitchen sink. So yeah, I like this little G, the Godzilla G-Force. Again, looks like half Triceratops, half Hulk. The tail's awesome. Want to see a funny little thing? He's Tigger. Yahoo! 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 I'm bouncing Tigger, baby. The Tigger Ultraman robot. With laser claws. I'm gonna call them laser claws because they sound cool. But yeah. He has also yellow knee pads. The Ultra monsters are crazy. So you have this guy. You can ride him. Yee-haw. Yee-haw. It's a cowboy except he's having fun. No, I used to forget I ever said that. And you have this dark being. It looks like good versus evil. Like you saw in the last video, as I said. Good versus evil. So yeah. And then you also have the crab dude. The claw can't go around the neck. That's a shame. But you can still punch him with his mini claw. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye. Wait, I'm not gonna get hurt? I'm not gonna get hurt? I'm not gonna... Hee 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 hee. Help me.